my seat old memories about a beautiful clean city of Mangalore, or known by Mangaluru, Karnataka, India. Mangalore is one of the cleanest cities in India. Mangalore is an important business center and is known for its amazing beaches, seaports, temples, hill stations, sanctuaries, Jain temples, and diverse culture. Mangalore is also known as the port city of Mangalore in Karnataka state and India, and also known as Konkan area. It is a coastal city near Arabian Sea. Mangalore International Airport is the nearest airport. It is 18 km away from Mangalore city. Mangalore Railway Junction station is the nearest railway station. It is 5 km away from the Mangalore city. Mangalore KSRTC bus station is 3.5 km away and service bus station is 1.5 km away. Bus services are available to all important places of Karnataka. Interstate and interstate bus services available there. Winter month from November to January is good time to visit here. There are famous restaurants and best resorts and budget lodges available here. Mangalore is situated in the border of Kerala state. There are many trains connecting to all parts of India, and from there we can go to Goa. Trains go to Mumbai, Maharashtra state by Konkan Railway. There are beautiful natural sceneries in Mangalore. There are many famous temples in Mangalore city. They are Mangaladevi temple, after which Mangalore is named. Kadari Manjunatha temple, God Shiva temple. Kudrali Govandeswara temple, Venkataramana temple, Sharuvu Maha Gangaraj temple. The neighboring temples are Dharmasala Lord Shiva temple, Sringeri Mutt and temple, Sri Krishna temple, Udupi Sri Krishna temple, Kollur Mogambika temple, Murdeswar temple, Shiva temple, Hondo temple, Mudabadri temple, Kukki Subramanya temple, Gomadeswara temple, Bahubali Jain temple. Venur Gomadeswara temple, that is also Jain temple. There are famous churches like Rosario Church, St. Aloysius Church, Villages Church also. There are 50 famous hill stations near Mangalore. They are Ebom, Sakleshpur, Korg, Chikmagalur, Kodacheri, Hassan, Kodajadri, Hassan, Shimoga, Kamanagudi, Yana, Wayanad, BR Hills, Nandi Hills, Hills, Kotagiri, and Munnar. We can have trekking through the hills. There are many beaches in Mangalore and they are famous popular tourist spots. The important beaches include Someswara Beach, Tannirbavi Beach, Kaup Beach, Suratkal Beach, Ullal Beach, Panambur Beach, Padubadri Beach and St. Mary's Island. We can have a camel ride in the beach. The International Kite Festival conducts in the beach. That you can cycle along the beach. Then you can visit Pulikula Wildlife Sanctuary or Pulikula Nisarang Adama. There you can see a good golf course, zoo, lake, park, a biological park, a heritage artisan village. It is 15 km away from Mangalore. Kudaramugh National Park is Chikmagalur is famous. It is 151 kilometer time, 3.5 hours. Visiting the famous Mangalore tiles with Albuquerque Tile Factory. New Mangalore port is the only harbour port in Karnataka state. It is the 7th largest port in India. Mangalore is famous for foods. Mangalore Bhaji, Mangalore buns, Patrod, Mangalore Gulab Bhaji, Patoli, Neer Dosa, Ghee Roast, Kundapur chicken, fish fry and the good bud ice cream. Mangalore is also rich in culture. They are Yashagana, a form of dance performance, Huli Vesha and Kardi Vesha. Dasara festival celebration also on the popular festivals. Dharmasala temple, the nearest temple near Mangalore. Located about 75 kilometers away from Mangalore city, 3 hours journey. It is located on the banks of Netravati river in the Meltangadi taluk of Dakshina Kannada district in Karnataka. The centuries old Sri Manjunatha temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. There is a Manjusha Museum, Car Museum. There is a healthy, clean, tasty Annadan to devotees daily. There is a small garden in front of the temple. The best time to visit here is November to January. The priest are Vaishnavites, Brahmins, and the guardian of the temple is Hegde Jain. The present head of the Dharmasala Padma Vibhushan Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, 21st in succession to the Dharma Dikepeda. They conduct many social economic services since 1973. They are conducting mass weddings. They provide boarding and lodging to all the visiting devotees at minimum cost. Gomadeshwara statue or the giant Bahubali is located 60 km away from Mangalore. It is Udupi district, Karnataka. The statue is in Karkala. Mudubatriya, small town near Mangalore, is also known as Jain Kashi or South India. Bahubali is also known as Gomadeshwara. It was opened on January 21 to 31, 215. It is 42 feet height, granite monolith or Bahubali. It is built on the elevated platform of a rocky hill known as Gamada Beta. Jain, the most important pilgrim places for Jains, which houses 18 Kollur Mogambika temple is located at Kollur, Udupi district, Karnataka state, India. It is a Hindu temple dedicated to Mother Goddess known as Mogambika Devi. It is situated in the foothills of Kodajadri Hills on the southern bank of Savarniga. Udupi Sri Krishna Mother Temple is 55 km away from Mangalore. It is famous Hindu temple dedicated to God Krishna, located in the city of Udupi in Karnataka state, India. Udupi is a world famous for the Udupi Krishna also. It is found in 13th century. The temple opens by 5:30 am and closes at 9:30 am. Murdeshwar temple, it is 157 kilometers away from Mangalore. It will take 3 hours. It is located in Karnataka state. The shrine dedicated to Lord Shiva. The main temple entrance also closed with 20 storage gobra. You can see the view of the 123 feet statue of Shiva at the top of